the process that we go through, and one of the reasons that we really like this technology and have added it to our practice, is it has a very straightforward process in order to determine whether this makes sense for an organization or not. And it really is just a 3-step process where we perform a storage audit and determine if there's an ROI. We, pick a couple of VMs in the dev environment, do a POC, test and prove out the technology in that dev environment, and if it's successful, roll it into production. And one of the great things about this technology is once you roll it out into production, the ROI starts immediately, because once it's out there, it's going to scale down your disk, and you're going to start saving on that stuff that the day that you actually implement.